every victory. Hari naman. Hari naman. Nagwa naman, artista naman tani. Artista naman tani, Sel.
Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Aris Pastor Jomar. At least nabisitahan kita isang artista. At least may document lang kita nga. We're now taking up the project of Ebenezer CRC, which is to replace, to repair, to restore the north wing of the sanctuary. The total length would be 11.4 something, 11.4 meters, and width is about 6 meters. So Pastor Jomar and his Carpenter's Hands Ministry will replace all the old roofs, all the old wood roofing joists. He will replace them with metal trusses and with new GI roofing sheet. And he'll make it new. It's about time because it's an old structure already, and the church council already approved that. And we hope and pray that Pastor Jomar will have time 2 weeks from now to start this, granting that the budget for this will be approved by the council, with the help of God. And Pastor Jomar has ever been ever since, for the last 20 years, 25 years, project head of the repairs of the church. Even the original installation of grills, iron grills, steel grills on all the walls of the church was under him. That was many years ago, and still the iron grills are still there. Damo siya na obra. Even ang south structure, south wing, isang simbahan 2 years ago, he was also the one who did it. The dirty kitchen and even the pastor's bedroom. So ang nagatulog dira sa pastor's bedroom, gwapo nga pastor, si Pastor Regan Yulo. And hopefully mabutangan man na tiles ang salog, kag ang kitchen butangan man tiles. And we are thanking the Lord so much for Pastor Jomar Bagbanwa, who is the senior pastor of the Mission Community Church, the Mission Community Church Philippines.
Yes. And
may mga daughter churches na sila, kag ang ila na nga main church area ara sa may Bayside, tapad lang sang Baybay sa barangay Pahanokoy. Yes. So thank you gid masiling mo Pastor Jomar sa council kay ma-meet kami sa Sunday. Anything gusto mo ipaibalo sa ila, any suggestion?
Thank you very much opportunity to help. And idlaw mo kami sa inyo. Thank you very much ang trust sa Carpenter's Hand Ministry. We are happy to serve and to help sa mga kauturan natin. More especially sa mga kauturan natin. Sige.
And the Lord has blessed this church, MCC, Mission Community Church, because that sanctuary at the Bayside is being used for Reformed Theology training once a month. So namianda sila naandan nila da. And we thank the Lord for Engineer Bacolod, Engineer Bacolod, first name engineer. Siya daw senior elder nga buligay sila, tie up sila ni Pastor Jomar. And we are blessed nga hindi lang si Pastor Jomar Magbanwa hindi lang sila nga church ministry ang ginakapta niya, even this marketplace or workplace ministry. Muni ang repairs, construction, restoration sa mga buildings, sa mga balay, sa mga simbahan. Makaya yan na because before he became a full-time pastor, he was already into this kind of projects. Kaya technically minded siya. He's gifted by the Lord on construction, on welding, tanan, madamo. So he has people under him also. So namigid nga ipadala siya liwat sang Ginoo para nga maatindihan ini ang building repairs kag development sang Ebenezer Christian Reformed Church. That's it. So sige padayon kami diyan ay suglanon. Bye-bye.